Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a fire-breathing, corner carving beast, the 2024 Lotus Emira. This isn't just any sports car, it's the brand's new flagship, promising to bridge the gap between Lotus's storied gasoline past and their electrifying future. So, buckle up, because we're about to take a deep dive into what makes the Emira such a thrilling proposition. Exterior design. First things first, let's talk looks. The Emira sheds the evija's familiar skin for a bold, modern aesthetic. Think sharp lines, sculpted surfaces, and an aggressive stance that screams performance. Lotus calls it a new design language, and we can't argue. The headlights are captivating, the air intakes are pure aggression, and the rear end with its integrated diffusers just begs for an open track. Under the hood, but beauty is more than skin deep, right? Powering the Emira is a choice of two engines, a Toyota-sourced 3.5 liters supercharged V6 pumping out 400 horsepower, or a more track-focused AMG-sourced 3.0 liters turbocharged V6 with a cool 420 horses. Both engines are mated to either a smooth 6-speed manual or a snappy 8-speed dual-clutch automatic, putting the power firmly in your hands or feet. And let's talk about those hands. The steering wheel is a tactile masterpiece, perfectly sized for those hairpin bends you're about to conquer. Handling and performances. Of course, a Lotus isn't just about horsepower, it's about the driving experience, and the Emira doesn't disappoint. Built on a new bonded aluminum chassis, it's incredibly lightweight and agile, responding to your every input with laser-sharp precision. The suspension strikes a perfect balance between comfort and control, letting you feel the road while keeping you planted when things get twisty. And those brakes? Oh, those brakes. Let's just say they'll turn your deceleration into an event. Interior and tech. Now, we wouldn't be petrol heads if we didn't care about the cabin, would we? The Emira's interior is a surprisingly luxurious affair. Yes, it's focused on the driver, but it's not Spartan. Think Alcantara and leather, supportive seats that hug you like a racing suit, and a digital instrument cluster that keeps you informed without cluttering your view. The infotainment system is modern and intuitive, with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto thrown in for good measure. The verdict. So, is the 2024 Lotus Emira the return of a legend? In a word, yes. It's a potent blend of raw performance, modern technology, and stunning design. It's a car that begs to be driven hard, a car that rewards skill and punishes hesitation. It's not just a sports car, it's an experience. But be warned, the Emira isn't for everyone. It's demanding, unforgiving, and might even be a bit impractical. But if you're looking for a car that speaks to your soul, that makes every corner sing, and that puts the thrill in thrill ride, then the Emira is calling your name. So, what do you think? Would you dare to tame the Lotus Emira? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive adventures. And hey, if you're lucky enough to snag one of these beauties, let us know. We'd love to take it for a spin and share your experience with the world.